Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Stash for portfolio diversification easy tutorial step by step clearly. To use Stash for portfolio diversification, start by downloading the Stash app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. After your account is set up, you'll need to verify your identity by following the on-screen prompts. Once verified, log into your account and explore the homepage, which showcases various investment options. Tap on Invest at the bottom of the screen to view available assets and portfolios. Look for the Diversification section to understand how different investments can work together. Choose a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Consider selecting a mix of stocks, ETFs, and bonds for a balanced approach. After selecting a portfolio, review the details to see potential returns and associated risks. When ready, click on the Invest button to start your investment journey. You'll be prompted to select the amount you wish to invest. Confirm your investment details before proceeding. Once confirmed, monitor your portfolio regularly through the app to track performance. Use Stash's educational resources to learn more about diversification and investment strategies. Adjust your portfolio as needed based on market changes and personal financial goals. Take advantage of Stash's features, like recurring investments, to build your portfolio over time. Stay informed about market trends to make informed decisions regarding your investments. Enjoy the journey of building a diversified portfolio with Stash. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.